Tired of this email. This girl is giving me mixed signals.
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 What I say?
Signals. Oh man.
Yeah.
You gonna give him something special?
20% off.
Why don't China flu, you give him free shipping, man?
Man, you crazy as hell. I ain't running no damn charity. What are you, a damn?
Ain't no damn socialism over here.
Ain't no damn, that's capitalism over here.
Yeah.
He's gotta be black. And plus he's a fucking felon. That sounds like a black person. I'm just going by fucking statistics.
Dumbass is what you is.
No, I just did some Socrates. That shit just went over your head.
You got that damn Nigrodamus going. You know what the hell you talking about?
Well, you said Negrodamus. Sound like you said Niggerdamus.
That's what I said.
Sexual assault. Well, I just told you no. You supposed to stop what you said no.
Yes.
Hey, this ain't funny. Hey, this ain't funny. Right?
Eat whatever the fuck you want to eat. Yeah.
Man, you look crazy as hell, man.
Cut the damn cut.
Have been nice and could probably offer a nice future, but I never.
Man, stop scratching your beard in my damn ear.
Shit itches, man.
It's like a damn Brillo pad. You clean a damn pot or something.
You can get creative on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get creative on it, man. We still doing the 20% off? I'm tired, man. We ain't making no money throwing that 20% off. Let's give him 5% off. No, but I can't keep doing the 20% off, man. Man, screw it, man. 20% off. Go to officialhodgetwins.com. Type in discount code Chinese virus. We call it Chinese cause it's from China.
And I'm not sure how to explain why I want this to do with my wife. You can't spell, man. You're just a dumbass. What is this? Why
No, man, but he was right, man. His dick was hard.
He just got pre-cum leaking. He can't wait to do it. Look here, man.
He's getting hard just typing that shit. Hey, eat whatever the you want to eat.
Man.
Hey, man, let me do some talking.
Do some talking then, man.
Let me do some talking. Man, you need to get the fuck out my ear.
Man, what you talking about?
Man, son, you sucking dick in my ear. Hey, Kevin.
Listen, man, I'm gonna beep it. I'm like, dude, you're not an ugly dude by any stretch of the minute.
Shut up.
Cussing the damn, this for kids over here.
I need to see some cum shots.
That sounds gay as hell.
What are you talking about? Cum shots? You want to see cum shots?
You don't like seeing a girl get blasted with semen?
That shit. You all that damn breathing action there, like, Are you crazy as hell?
Am I a weird freak, or is this something you guys would do if instead of a brother had a twin sister?
Well, man, I think it's natural, man. Y'all close, man. She's the opposite sex. Y'all hitting puberty.
Natural?
Yeah, just for the thought to enter your head.
That's natural, bitch?
For you to, yeah. You human, right? You got a dick, don't you? Hey, twin sis, hey, how you doing? We so is close. Hey, let me stick my dick in your mouth. That's natural. That's natural to you, bitch? That's not natural, Kevin.
Yeah, it is.
They opposite sex, man. They close. Shit happens.
Yes, sir.
Do y'all have that new Travis Scott burger?
Yes, we do. It's just everyone asks the same question.
Yeah.
Tired of this email, she's nuts.
She's nuts, huh?
What's up, Keith and Kev? My name is Malik. Sounds like a black fella to me. To this day,
Man, this dude is white and he's from Canada. What are you talking about?
Get a sense of humor, man.
No, man, no. People play too much. Yep, charge you $992. Hey, playing, it's just money, right? Oh, you think you better than me or something? Get up in there. Get up in there. Get out my face. Get up in there.
What's up, Parch Twins? Name's Dondre. What the Man, go home and smack your mama, DeAndre. Dondre.
He's black.
I'm just messing with you.
Nobody can.
What's up, Keith and Kev? My name's Josh. My son is named Josh. Gave my son a good white boy name.
Why motherfuckers like to park beside you while you eating, man? Take your ass on over there, bitch. No, man, I said I want a double quarter pounder with cheese like 50 goddamn times a day, and by all means, I'm gonna get me a goddamn double quarter pounder with cheese, man. That's why I started laughing when I said this shit. How many times I gotta say this shit? That's weird, they can't cut it in half. They ain't got no knives in that bitch? He said, we just don't do that. I said, y'all ain't got no knives in that bitch? How the fuck you a restaurant, you ain't got no knives?
She's 31. We've been together for 5 months. She tells people she loves to be dominated. But
She's telling people that. Why she walking, hey, I like to be dominated. Get up in now. Go on, get up in now. Get up in now. Go on, get up in now. Get up in now. Leave them nuts hanging out. Yeah. Balls Deep formula, back in stock. Go pick you up a bottle and bust you some nuts. All that damn pre-cum over here, man. Look at all that damn pre-cum you got going. Yeah, man, you some disturbed, sick, twisted, light-skinned black motherfucker. Hey, the fries suck, but the milkshake's pretty good, man. Let me get some of this pre-cum off. Hey, man, come on, man. Lick up all that pre-cum. God damn! Girls get pre-cum, man. Oh, yeah, girls do have pre-cum. What, you think I'm in here licking pre-cums off of dicks? That's a good point, man. Hey. All that damn pre-cum. All that damn pre-cum. You wheezing, bitch? You did this, right? I said all that pre-cum.
Tough times right now. My wife of 7 years recently confessed to sleeping with her boss after I found some incriminating messages between them. Yeah, she would have confessed shit if you hadn't found them messages.
What you can do, man? You can go to work and kick his ass?
Don't do that, man. You're already fucking your wife. Now you're going to get thrown in jail for him?
Yeah, that's just going to give him extra time to fuck your wife.
Hold on, man. I ain't putting this video up. This dude probably going to kill himself.
You taste like shit. Tastes like regular fries with dick cheese all over.
Observe it. That's baby talk, man.
That's baby talk.
Like,
Sounds like pedophilia to me. Turn it off. Yeah, look at that damn chin hair with that Twilight action on it. look what I do look like a skunk getting ready to spray you. Watch this. Look, watch. All right, thank you. Standing over there, man. I give that sandwich an A+. Eat whatever the fuck you want to eat. Kind of crazy, man. You can actually see the fucking grease dripping. You think that shit gonna clog up our arteries? Nah, that's a myth. It's a myth, man. It's fresh, man. They get your arm off of me. Jack in the Box, they got this wild Alaskan pollock. Is that what it is, man? They claim they caught this up in Alaska. Man, he caught this damn fish in a creek somewhere. Cheaper, huh?
Hodgetwins TV on Vimeo, man, it cancels.
They ain't cancel. It's still up, but it's got some bugs in it.
No, they said
Hodgetwins TV is now here on YouTube.
yeah, you can sign up by hitting a link in the description box. It's only $3.99 a month.
It's damn near $3, which means it's damn near free.
Yeah.